Why, hello everybody! How are my smooth friends today? It's me, Smooth Brain, and I'm here with another haul from Fab Fit Fun. This is their spring box. I, of course, did not remember what I got at all. So let's open it up, see what's inside, and have some fun. So one of the things I really like about Fab Fit Fun is that it does have different items in there besides just makeup. It has some clothing items, it has some houseware items, it has things for sun and, vacation, and inside of the box, it's really pretty. It's got this lady, hopefully you can see her. So they used to have like really fully decorated boxes a long time ago, and now they just have the inside of the box that is decorated, so it's all good. I mean, I think this is more eco-friendly. So inside are some coupons. There's always coupons. One is from Myers Clean Day, and one is from HelloFresh. 11 free meals. I actually use the Cook Unity subscription box. That allows me to pick things that fit with my diet and that are lower calorie, and I really enjoy it. The meals are delicious. So the first thing we have is from Myers. It's a shampoo for dogs or pets. I don't know, some cats get baths, but I never bathed my cats. But I do have a dog now, so Nutmeg Tuna Salad will enjoy this pet dog shampoo. And it says it's made with oat extract, aloe vera, and chamomile, which is great because my dog does get itchy in the summer as well, so this might soothe her skin. And it has no sulfates, parabens, and phthalates, or artificial colors. Great! And it's white peach scent. Love that for her. Okay, the next thing, let me put this a little to the side here. I got some different stuff this time. I got this really pretty, like, picture frame because I have some pictures I want to put out. I have tons of pictures, but this one I thought was pretty and different, so I will be putting a 4x6 in there. So that's like a normal picture size from cameras. Do you guys remember cameras that aren't on your phone? Me neither. So I actually have like a junk drawer full of cameras, which is pretty sad. But yeah, and even those, most of them are digital. So I also got from Floral Society these cute, super cute gardening gloves. I love to garden. I have a garden every year, and they have like even some cute little belting on them. I don't know if that you can tighten these so that the dirt doesn't get in around your wrists, because that always seems to be a problem. But I do wear gardening gloves because I love to do my fingernails, and the thing that will happen is if you don't wear gloves, you're not only going to get blisters and calluses, but you are going to mess up your fingernails. Come on, girls. We don't want that. Okay, next I have a smaller box from Skin & Co. The Divine Nectar Shower Oil. Oh, good. I need some more shower oil. Let's see what this looks like and what it smells like. It's a cute bottle. It looks like glass, but it's actually plastic. But I like that it has that frosted look to it. And does it say Truffle Therapy? Truffle Moisture Shower Gel. Let's smell it. It does smell very faint of like vanilla. Let's see if it says anything on there. How to use. No, not really. The next thing I got is from Olive and Piper. I think this is a piece of jewelry based on the look of the bag. Let's see. Been into jewelry a lot lately. This necklace actually is from something called, I will link it down below, but I have a referral code if you want to try out some jewelry for inexpensive. The only thing I will say is that if you have a larger neck, like my neck is kind of wide, some of the necklaces wind up being more of a choker than anything else. So look at this pretty little white box. It is like embossed with olive and piper. It's really pretty. Oh my gosh. Look at this ring. Okay, wait, let me put it back in the box and show you. And then I will show you on my finger. That's gorgeous. Let's see if it fits, hopefully. Yeah, it's got like a peridot, I want to say, and then it has like pink and white gems as well. So that's what it looks like on. Very pretty. New favorite ring. I love rings. I'm like really into rings, and like I like tiny dainty ones like this, and my wedding ring is actually pretty nice and dainty and pretty. My husband did a good job picking out the engagement ring part of it. And then I also really like big, chonky, like I'm going to hit you and you're going to feel it kind of rings. So let me know what kind of rings you like. The next thing I have is from Murad. I do really enjoy Murad. And this is an SPF. Let's see. Environmental Shield Super Protective Moisturizer with SPF 50 Brightening. So the inside of the package looks like this. Let's see if it has any kind of cast or anything. So it goes on like that. And it does look like it has a little bit of a white cast, but you can blend it in pretty well. And I think once it dries, it will be more sheer. So that. It smells good. It smells a little orangey and sunscreeny. Nice. Okay, the next thing I have is from Kors, and it's the Greek Yogurt Foaming Cleanser. I always like a good foaming cleanser. I do a double cleanse to get rid of all my makeup. I'll usually use either like an oil-based kind of thing and then a foaming cleanser, or an oil-based or a foaming cleanser as my first step. And then I do have some stuff from Tatcha that is like a rice wash that helps with exfoliation. That's what I use. And then the last thing is a big guy. It's wrapped up like this, like a little present. Let's see what's in here. Rippy. This is so cute. Okay, it's from Summer and Rose, and it's planters. So like I said, I love plants. I love gardening. And these are 2 planters. I'm going to bring one out to show you. I think they're the same, more or less. Yes. And they have a little hole in the bottom for drainage. But look at how pretty they are. They're really cute. So I'll put some plants or seedlings or something in there. And maybe I will update you on what I planted this year in my garden. So that's everything. I think my favorite thing is actually this ring. Look how pretty it is. I'm going to put it on my 3rd finger because it feels a little small on my 4th finger. And then I do like the planters and all of the other items in the box. FabFitFun does allow you selections as well, especially if you're an annual member. So you pay for 4 boxes and then you get to choose, I think, up to 6 items. So really enjoyed this box. Gonna really love using this and the cleanser and the sunscreen. Always can use more sunscreen. But my favorite, of course, is this beautiful ring. Okay, go plant some plants for spring. It's almost March, and that's when most states can plant their plants. Of course, I live in New Hampshire, and I can't plant them until later, but You guys might be able to get away with it. So have fun. Make sure you subscribe and hit like. It really helps out my channel. And I will talk to you all very soon in the next episode. By the way, if you like this look, I'm going to link the full video of how I got this look over here or over here somewhere at the end of the video. So have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye!